Please all participants open RStudio, import ficus file and type done. Please all participants open RStudio, import ficus file and type done. Today, first step you need to perform. The latest version of R have been released. So no R 4.4.3 is available. So first step, we need to install this tool. So today we will install latest version of R again because latest version of R have been released on Yakam March, 1st March. So please all participants install R 4.4.3. So for this, open Google Chrome. Please all participants open Google Chrome and in search box type RCran. Type RCran. It will give you a list, a website, the comprehensive R archive network. Here is the link for window R 4.4.3 for window. If you have Mac or other tools, you can install from Mac or for Linux. So I have window and maximum participant have window. So I am going to click on R 4.4.3. Click on this website. जिनके पास पहले 4.4.2 है उनको भी इंस्टॉल करने की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी क्योंकि इसका लेटेस्ट वर्जन जो है ये देखें 1 मार्च 2025 को रिलीज़ हुआ है और ये 4.4.3 है। इससे पहले जो हमारे पास वर्जन था वो 4.4.2 था। अब इसका वर्जन अपडेट हो चुका है तो हमें लेटेस्ट वर्जन पे वर्क करना है क्योंकि ओल्डर वर्जन पे बहुत सारे पैकेजेस वर्क नहीं करते जो अपडेट हो गए इसके साथ। ये लिंक मैं शेयर कर रहा हूँ आप लोगों के साथ भी। ये जूम चैट में मैं शेयर कर रहा हूँ। You don't need to uninstall. You don't need uninstall. So click on this button 4.4.3. When you click on it, it will show you a download link showing time and data. It is about 84 MB file and showing me 2 R. So please all participants, let me know. Have you start and downloaded successfully? In my case, it is showing me more time, but maybe you are facing less time. Please all participants start and type downloading or downloading started. I am going to start because I already have this tool. So please install, download and install. Okay, Usama, please open this setup and install this setup. If possible, you are also share your screen. Muhammad Usama, can you share your screen? So that I can show you the installation process. Okay, I have allowed you. Please share again. Okay, double click on this setup. It will give you message about installation. Miss Uma, it is not a big file. I think just only it is 4 MB. Please click on this file. You will get a message. Want to install? Yes or no? Click on yes button. And please also open your mic. I have allowed your mic.
Sir, is it necessary to uninstall the older version of R
You don't need
or
to
close the
no,
RStudio?
no. Don't need to uninstall.
Should
Just
I close RStudio?
yes, you need
Because
to.
RStudio is now
Yes, you need to close.
open in my laptop.
Yes, you need to close first.
Okay, sir.
सर स्क्रीन नजर आ रही है?
Yes,
Have you looked at
yes,
screen?
yes, please.
Okay, sir.
Sama, please click on setup
No,
R4.4.
after that,
I think you have shared only
yes,
single
I
screen.
already.
Sorry, you are just main folder is showing. Please share your entire
Yes, sir.
screen. You have shared, I think, folder only. You need to share entire screen.
Okay. Oh, sorry.
Mm, Your entire screen is not shared. Please share entire screen.
Hmm. Where I got the message for entire screen.
When you click on share button, it will show you multiple screens. The first screen, which is in blue box, labeled screen, and above this screen is the entire screen.
I already do this. Have you seen my screen?
Yes, no, it's visible. Okay. Now please click on R 4.4.3.
Click yes.
Yes, but not your. Yes, click on OK. Click OK. Next. Click on next. Next.
Next.
Next. Again next. Again next. And wait. वकार अहमद साहब, आप क्या क्वेश्चन पूछना चाह रहे हैं? काइंडली माइक ओपन कीजिएगा।
सर उसमें ऑप्शन आ रहा था कि एमडीआई इंस्टॉल करना है या एसटीआई, तो मैंने असल में उसको वो किया था, क्लिक जो है ना उस
अच्छा,
पर,
आपके पास वो दूसरा
उसमें स्टार्टअप
विंडो नहीं है?
प्रोफाइल। जी हाँ, नहीं, क्योंकि स्टार्टअप में उसमें एक ऑप्शन आया था तो मैंने उस पर क्लिक कर दिया था। यस पे अब हो गया सर,
चलें, ठीक।
ठीक हो गया सर,
ओके।
ठीक हो गया।
Okay, and Dauda, please wait. Okay, click on finish button. Click on finish button. Now open RStudio again. Now open RStudio again.
Yes, I'm doing.
Okay, now please all participants follow these instructions to update your latest version. So click on don't save. Click on don't save. Okay, after installation latest version, you are again seeing R4.4.2 in screen number 2. If you check in screen number 2, there is again 4.4.2. So here you need to update. So for updation, you need to click on screen number 1. Please come on screen number 1. There is a button name tool. At the top of the screen, there is a button name tool. I have encircled. Click on tool button. Click on tool button. Please all participants click on tool button, and last option is global option. Click on global option. Click on global option. Please click on global option, last option. Okay, now you will get another page. On this page, you can find a button name change on right side. Click on change. Yes, select R4.4.3 from here. Click OK. Click OK. Select 4.4. Yes. Now you get a message. You need to quiet and reopen RStudio in order for this change to take effect. So click OK. Click OK, and then click on apply button, and then again OK. At the bottom of this page, there is a apply button. Yes, click on apply, and then OK. And now close your RStudio and reopen it. Dauda, have you done updation? Please close RStudio and reopen it again. Okay, now you have latest version of R 4.4.3. So I have 4.4.3. So please all participants confirm me. Have you this latest version of R 4.4.3? So in the same way, when R can give a new version, you need to install new version of R programming.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam.
Sir, the downloading is taking too much time, so
Okay, don't worry.
it
Don't worry.
hasn't downloaded yet.
You can do after this class.
Okay, sir.
Okay. If you face any issue, you can let me know.
Can I use R 4.2.2 now?
Yes, you can use, but maybe some packages not work. But you can use because I think 2 or 3 days ago it is updated, and I think older tools will be available.
Let's try. If it doesn't work, so
Okay,
we will.
then you will install.
Then I will do it from the video. Thank you so much.
Okay. Okay, Dr. Dr. Sidra, please mic kindly open your mic.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा मैडम आपको ये स्क्रीन शो हो रही है?
Yes, sir.
यहाँ पे जो मैंने सर्कल लगाया हुआ टूल पे ये शो हो रहा है
Yes, sir. हो रहा है
पेज
sure.
नंबर 1 पे।
Yes, sir.
उस पे आप क्लिक करें, आपके पास आएगा लास्ट में ग्लोबल ऑप्शन।
Global option, okay.
मिल गया?
Yes, sir. मिल गया. Next.
ग्लोबल ऑप्शन पे जब आप क्लिक करेंगे तो आपके पास इस तरह का एक पेज ओपन होगा। ये पेज शो हो रहा है आपके पास?
Yes, sir. हो रहा है sure.
यहाँ पे आपको एक बटन नजर आ रहा है चेंज का,
Yes, yes,
राइट
sir.
साइड पे। इस पे
Show हो
क्लिक
रहा
करें चेंज पे। ये आपको एक छोटी सी विंडो
है.
और
Yes,
दे
sir. हो
देगा।
गया.
यहाँ पे ये शो कर रहा है
Yes, sir.
R4.4.3। इस पे आप क्लिक करें, चूज पे
Yes, sir.
क्लिक
Show
करें,
हो रहा है.
इसको सिलेक्ट करें, ओके का बटन प्रेस करें, ओके करें,
Select हो. Okay.
सिलेक्ट अप्लाई करें और ओके कर दें।
Reopen. Sir, ये दे रहा है you need to reopen RStudio in
जी जी
order to
बिल्कुल।
this change
हाँ,
to
वो कह रहा
take.
है कि एक दफ़ा अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, फिर उसके बाद आपने आर को क्लोज करके दोबारा रीस्टार्ट करना है।
Okay, okay, sir. Okay.
हो गया डन?
Okay. Yes, sir. Done.
ओके, अब आप आर को क्लोज करें और दोबारा इसको ओपन करें तो आपके पास यहाँ पे R4.4.3 शो हो रहा होगा।
Okay, sir.
ओके, अच्छा आज का जो हमारा टास्क है वो अगेन हम चैट जीपीटी पे वर्क करेंगे, चैट जीपीटी और एआई टूल्स को। और कल की क्लास से इंशाल्लाह हम जो है वो वर्क ऑन टी टेस्ट। सो इन अवर टुडे क्लास we will work on again on AI plus R, but our task is 3D bar plot or 3D plots. So today we'll create different type of 3D plots. If you need any 3D plot during your research or during your analysis, so you can draw it easily. So our first task is we want to draw a 3D PCA plot. 3D PCA plot. So please all participant import ficus file, import ficus file, and take its str ficus and run. Ficus and run. It will show you the structure of your dataset. Ficus, copy, open ChatGPT, ऐसा $sign in variable name. Open ChatGPT and send str. Here is $sign. $sign mean variable name. Petal length, petal width. These are the variables names. So write a message. I want to perform. I want to create 3D PCA plot in R. Full stop and send message. When you send message, it will give you script for 3D PCA plot. You can also draw. You can also draw other type of 3D PCA plot. मेरे पास ये आई थिंक वर्क नहीं कर रहा अभी। मैं दोबारा इसको ट्राई कर लेता हूँ, अदरवाइज आप में से कोई पार्टिसिपेंट स्क्रीन शेयर कर लें। Again, take str and write a message. I want to create PCA 3D PCA plot. 3D PCA plot in R. I think there is an issue in my case for internet. Yes, it's showing to create a 3D PCA plot in R using your ficus dataset. We will follow this step. Perform PCA, extract the first three principal component and create a 3D scatter plot. So here is the script. Copy the script, copy, open R, paste here and run these lines one by one. I already have these two tools. So here is the PCA 3D plot. You can rotate it in any position. Please all participants and Dauda, you need to install Legend 3D package or need to do library. Okay, please all participants draw a 3D plot and next you need to ask another question. Types of 3D PCA plot in R. So it is showing me there are several types of 3D PCA plots in R depending on visualization method you prefer. Here are the most commonly used types. Number one, static 3D PCA plot, interactive 3D PCA plot using Plotly. I want to run first code, copy, open R, give a hashtag line for so that you can separate between above and below script. I need scattered plot 3D package. Next. So here is the 3D scatter plot for PC. Copy this image, open WhatsApp group and share.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर। अभी तो हम लोग
Understand?
डाटा के ऊपर ही हैं। थोड़ा सा वो पीछे से गाइड कर देंगे लाइब्रेरी किस तरह रन की है।
Okay. Please share your screen. Please all participants and draw any 3D PCA plot and type done and share this plot within group. Then I will give you next task.
सर ये आ गया।
Please show me your full screen. Okay. Now run line number 188.
188।
It is your first line of the script.
यस।
Please run this line.
एरर इन लाइब्रेरी brief
You have
shape
not
to।
run. Please scroll up. I think you have write a wrong script above. Yes, no. You have run, this error was previous. You have run your code. You need to install reshape 2. So come on screen number 4. Okay, Dauda, I will share your screen. Wait. Click on install button. Click on install button in screen number 4.
Is okay?
Please screen number
Reshape.
4. Yes, reshape. Reshape 2.
Done.
Have you done installation of reshape 2?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
actually your screen is very slow. Your voice is only audible. Okay, no, run next line. Next, and next. Okay.
Next last, sir,
Yes.
object core matrix method not found.
Yes, you have skipped line number 198. Run line number 194 and 198 again. Please run
Is
this line.
here is a error. 200. Line 200.
Could not find function melt. So you need another package name. I think tidyverse. Please do library reshape. Do library reshape. Library, please, library. Click on line number 189 and run. You have not run library reshape. Click on line number 189 and run.
I already do click and run. It's okay.
Okay, now run these codes again.
But 200 is error again. Line 200. See? Line 200 is ggplot.
ओके आप ऐसा करें कि आपके ना एक्चुअली स्क्रीन बहुत स्लो चल रही है, मुझे एरर्स आपके बाद में शो हो रहे हैं. आप लाइन नंबर कोर मैट्रिक्स मेल्टेड कोर में, हाँ, लाइन नंबर 198 को रन करें.
फिर वो पहले भी की है, वो नहीं हुआ.
कौन सी लाइन? 198.
198.
ये आपने स्किप की है सर. अब उसमें क्लिक करें ना, लाइन में क्लिक आपका कहीं और हुआ हुआ है. इस लाइन में क्लिक करें,
ये कर लिए था.
अब इसको रन करें.
वो एरर आ रहा
क्या एरर आ रहा है?
है. वही मैट्रिक्स फाइकस नॉट फाउंड. फाइकस की फाइल्स अपलोड है.
आप लाइन नंबर 192 को रन करें.
अब 94.
वेट करें, मुझे शो होने दें. मुदस्सिर PCA mean principal component analysis. Okay, no, run next line 195 and check its result.
Object core matrix focus not found.
Where is core matrix ficus? Yes, there is only core matrix -5. So -5 should be in bracket. Yes. Give -5 in bracket. Sumail, you need to install Legend 3D package. Please. No, no, no. Yeah. Please give single. Yes, no, it's okay. Now run this line again. 9
It's error.
core matrix ficus not found. Core matrix ficus. Yes, there is a issue in your core matrix. Yes, in core matrix, command line number 195. The name 195. The name is only core matrix. So please in melt remove ficus. Also remove ficus from matrix. After matrix. Yes, now run this line again.
Okay.
It's working.
Yes.
Okay, now next line. It is showing error in variable one not found. Okay, you need to check your file name. Your file core matrix melted in from screen number 3. Please check core matrix melted file. Yes, there is no any variable name. It's give just values. It's mean your analysis is not complete. You need to perform it again. You have performed wrong analysis. Okay, close it.
सर वो फाइकस वाली फाइल अपलोड की
नो ओके आप वापस आए हैं अनटाइटल फाइल पे प्लीज टेक
स्क्रीन नंबर
str other participant please do practice on 3D plot str not double r single r please single r str
यस
आपकी क्लासेस मिस तो नहीं है
नहीं सर
ये str हाँ ये सिंगल इसको सेलेक्ट करें and type your file name ficus
ओके
type your file name ficus please select ficus okay and run this line
ओके नो फ्रॉम कॉपी फ्रॉम हियर
no it is not it is error in geom title yes no it is visible for me no yes copy from str to
Yeah.
complete paragraph copy this and open ChatGPT open new chat
नाउ इज ओके
open new chat
यस सर नो
ChatGPT
चैट
and write a message I want to create 3D PCA plot in R okay send this message okay and write a message thanks I need all these code in single script thanks I need all these code in single script and send a message
यस नो नीड अ कॉपी
sent it will give you script a single script for all code copy this code and open ChatGPT sorry open RStudio and paste
Yeah, screen number 1.
Yes, in screen number 1 and run one by one.
From
One,
line 225, so start
two,
from line 22.
please check your first line. Where is your first line of the script?
This one, 207, 208, Street
208.
Ficus, install and load.
No, no, no. 212. 212.
Hmm.
Run this line.
Error library plot ly.
Have done.
No, sir, I think they need a package plot ly.
Okay, plotly. Install. And Dauda, have you done your task or still facing issue? No. Okay. Just give me a 5
There
minutes.
is no
And then
package called.
please install these packages and then do library. In line number 210 is for package installation. 209 is also for package installation. If you run these
There
lines, it will give you package.
there is error. Warning install. Warning install package. Download the package name.
Again, try again. Please try again. Don't need to install from here. Line number, you need to run line number 210. You can check, here is the script for installation, install.packages. When you run this code, it will automatically install your tools.
Hmm.
You have typed lottery. You have typed wrong spelling. That's why you are facing issue. You just run line number 209 and 210 and wait until this red dot disappear.
Successfully unpacked.
Wait. Okay, now click on yes. Click on yes and wait. Click on yes and
The
okay.
done DPLYR is okay. Now click library.
Okay, now do next step. Library, line number 212 and 213.
There is a required package ggplot2.
It's loading. Don't worry. Error, you need, there is no package called fast map. Please read last line in screen number 2. There is no
There is
package
no
called
package.
fast map. So you also need to install this tool.
So from the screen 4,
Yes.
from screen 4, I need to fast map.
Yes, from screen 4. Install fast map. Okay, don't worry, Dr. Ahmed. You can do practice by watching this video. Today, our task was very simple, just creating a 3D plot by using ChatGPT.
हो गया fast map successfully unpacked
Okay,
and okay.
now do library again, one by one. Again, next. Don't need to run script with the data. You can ignore line number 217. Please scroll down. Scroll down. Actually, your window is very slow. Okay, in line number 217 is a dummy data, is a sample data. So you need to ignore. Click on line number 226 and run.
2 to 5, sir. I think.
2 to 5 and 6 are same lines. Next. Next and next.
Done.
Okay. Okay, and Dauda, please share your screen.
Now is okay.
Please close your screen. And Dauda, please share your screen. It is showing you required tool. Okay, come on first line of the script. Please come on first line of the script. Dauda, please come on first line of the script. It is not your first line. Okay, run line number 188. It is your first line. 188, yes. Next. 189. It is showing you. Okay. Next. Line number 191. Next. 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 Invalid column name S1. So you need to remove column number 5. So run next line. Okay, please clean screen number 3 with brush button. Clean screen number 3 with brush button and open ficus file again. Please first clean it with brush button. First clean screen number 3 and then your ficus import ficus file again. Import your ficus file again. Import. Okay, now take str again. Come on screen number 1. Select A and delete all these codes. Or you can give a line with hashtag for differentiation. Okay, run this line. For cleaning a screen, there is a brush button with each screen. Okay, copy this str, open ChatGPT. And write a message. Please, your ChatGPT is not visible for me. I think you have shared a single script or screen. Write a message in ChatGPT. I want to create 3D PCA plot in R. You have shared only R screen. Please, when you want to share your screen, always try to share entire screen. No, I am unable to watch your ChatGPT. Only R is showing. Yes, no, it's visible. Write a message. I want to perform. I want to create. Please write a message. I want to create 3D PCA plot in R. Okay, please copy this code. Open RStudio. Paste and run these lines one by one. Please paste and run this command first line. When you paste any script, you need to run first of the script. So first line is library RGL, line number 222. Please run this line. Okay, next line number 223. Okay, good. Next, good. Next, next, next. Okay, now copy this code. Copy this error from screen number 2 with above script. From create a 3D scatter plot using RGL plot 3D. Also include error. Okay, copy and paste to ChatGPT. Okay, send this message to ChatGPT. First, it will explain you about error, and then it will give you its solution. The error because occur because the color argument in plot 3D expect okay. Again, copy this code and run one by one. Okay, after completion, copy this code and run it again. Copy this code and provide to R and run these lines one by one. Next. I think today is the issue in screen sharing. Please run these codes, all code one by one. Next. Have you got a plot? Please click on package, but click on screen number 4 and press refresh button. Here is the refresh button in screen number 4. And click on plots. Here is the button for plots. Okay, now run these above code one by one again. Yes, please run. Okay. Next. 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 Again next. Again next. Plot is not visible. Okay, no, again open ChatGPT. Check another code is given. Yes, there is a viewer option. Okay, yes, please come on screen number 4. Click on viewer. But there is also no plot in viewer. Your script is successful. I think you need to restart your R and then try it again. Hopefully it will done. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. And in our next class, we will do practice for some basic statistics. Okay, Allah Hafiz.